Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through my capstone project for the Google and Kaggle AI agent intensive course, which is IdeaCompass, a multi-agent system that analyzes startup ideas with real-world data, trends, competitor mapping, and market sizing. The problem I'm solving is simple. Most people have great startup ideas, but no way to validate them with actual market data. Traditional chatbots can give surface level advice, but not structured research, not long form breakdowns, and not automated workflows. That's where agents shine. Agents can specialize, collaborate, and handle complex multi-step reasoning. In Idea Compass, each agent focuses on one job, and the coordinator agent orchestrates them together. This gives the user real research, not just opinions. So first of all, let me give you an architecture overview. So at the top, we have our root agent, which acts as the interface layer. It supports normal mode for everyday business questions and research mode for deep startup analysis. When research mode is triggered, the coordinator agent runs a full sequential workflow. As you can see guys here, it's a sequential workflow, and the first agent here is a parallel agent which also runs four sub agents parallelly. That means these agents run simultaneously together: intent parser, data collector agent, trend analyzer agent, and the competitor market mapper agent. And after which the market sizing and the report composer agent executes. So these agents turn the raw signals into total addressable market, serviceable addressable market, and serviceable obtainable market estimates, and a polished investor style report. Finally, there are two utility agents as well. The first one is the Notion Writer agent, which can create or update the pages and the comments and many more stuffs in the Notion, as it has been mentioned in the instruction itself. And the second utility agent I have here is the email sender agent, which can send formatted human readable reports via Gmail MCP. So all communication happens through MCP tools and ADK agent tools with strict instructions, boundaries, and delegated behaviors. So let me give you the overview. Let me show you the demo. Uh, I'm using the ADK Web UI, which is a web user interface provided by this amazing framework for developing the agents, the AI agent, the agent development by Google. So first of all, let me ask it, who are you? Let's see what it does. As you can see, it has described its responsibilities and what it does. So let's ask it another question, which is all about the analysis. Startup idea, an app that automatically reorders inventory for small grocery shops. What's the growth potential? Let's see. So as you can see here, the system enters into research mode, and the coordinator agent triggers the full pipeline. I think I have to wait for some time, because as you can see here guys, the coordinator agent runs multiple agents inside of it, and each agent make a separate request to the model. I'm using the Gemini 2.5 Flash model here by Google as well. So yeah, this agent, all these agents make separate model request. So that's why it's taking a bit time. But it will for sure generate huge analysis research with all the details required to you for your startup on to understand the potential of growth of the startup idea that you were thinking about. Yeah. So as you can see guys here, so the output is a fully structured report with executive summary, uh, trends, competitor table, and also the recommendation, risks, opportunities, and the competitive landscape as well. So as I mentioned you, so let me use the utility agent now using the MCP server. So let me tell it to create a page named here inventory app notes inside the uh, ATK page on Notion. Let's see, will it be able to do that or not? It has made the request. Yeah, it's done. As you can see, it got the response. I have successfully created the page named inside the ATK. Let's see. Yep, it has created that page. As you can see, guys. Oh, actually, I forgot to show you the before preview. So as you can see the timeline here, I used it. I used this agent at 7:23 for using the email agent. So now for the third example, I will use the email. So I'll ask it the third question. Email this report to my friend at the rate sumaya.k2 for feedback. Let's see. Yep, now I believe it have sent the email. Yeah, as you guys may have heard the notification sound from my phone. Yeah. Feedback on inventory app analysis report. Dear Tausif, as you can see the format, the email format, it's totally an amazing format with all. So yeah, I have created this entire agent using the Google Agent Development Kit and by using the Google Gemini 2.5 Flash model, and I have used the sequential parallel and tool calling agent architecture and used the already have used the Notion and Gmail MCP servers for external for using the external services basically. And so yeah, that was a quick walkthrough of IdeaCompass, a fully autonomous multi-agent system that turns big startup ideas into structured data-driven research. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.